Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve a simple Java programming, and this question is a little bit tricky. Tricky in sense we need to put some logic in this question. So let's first read the question. Question says Centennial Fruit Shop sells apples. Apples come in 2 lb bags only. The price of one 2 lb bag is 2 5.50. The shop ships the order in different size boxes depending on the quantity order. The boxes come in three sizes. Okay, the large size box cost $1.8 and can hold 20 bags of apples. Okay, a medium box contains $1 and can hold 10 bags of apples. A small box cost $0.6 and can hold 5 bags of apples. Clear? The order must be shipped at the lowest cost to the customer. For example, the order of 52 bags. Suppose we have taken 52 bags here in this example. It should be shipped in four boxes. Okay, two large, two large, one medium, and one small one. Clear? The rule for picking is to fill the large and medium boxes completely. Only after that the small box can have empty spaces. Clear? Develop a program that accepts the number of 2 lb bags ordered and computes the total cost of the order. Clear? You can just use one class with the main method to implement this program. Display the output in the following format. In this format, we have to display the output. Clear? So first we need to understand the question, what the question was. Clear? So the question said we have to take the suppose this is apple bag. This is apple bag and its size is 2 lb. Okay, and it cost $5.5. Clear? Now it said that large box large box. Okay, this is the large box, and here the number of 2 lb bag should be the number of 2 lb bag 2 lb bag should be 20 pieces. Okay, and the cost of this large box is $1.8. $1.8. Clear? Medium box. Medium box. In this, the number of 2 lb bags should be number of 2 lb bags. It should be how many? It should be 10 pieces. Clear? 10 pieces. And it costs how much? It costs $1. $1. Clear? Now small box. Small box. This is the small box, and 2 lb bag. In this box, how many should be there? It should be 5. Okay, and the cost of this box is 0.6. Clear? 0.6. Now what we have to do, we have to the question said that first we have to fill all this large box. After that only we can fill medium box, and after that only at last we need to fill a small box. Clear? The sequence should be like this, from large to medium to smallest. Clear? Okay, so suppose let's take we have 52 bags. How many? 52 bags. Then by observing we can say that first how many bag should be kept in this large box. If one large box contains 20 pieces, then how many pieces of bag can we put in this large box? Obviously 40, isn't it? 40 pieces goes to this one large. Okay, and after that we have how many? 12, and out of 12 how many pieces goes to this medium box? 10 pieces. Okay, 10 pieces goes to medium box. Clear? Now how many left? Two. Two bag. Two bag goes where? In small. Okay. So this is the way we arrange the bags in boxes. Clear? Now okay, this was the concept clear. Okay, now let's move to the programming, that how we design the program. And one more thing we need to clear here is the logic, that how we are going to define, how we are going to build program. For example, let's take, this is the large box. Okay, this is the large box. So the number of large box here, how many was there? In one large box, if 20 pieces can be filled, can be put, then 40 large bags can be put in how many large box? Yeah, obviously in two large box. Okay, so to find the number of large box, we need what? We need the total bag. Okay, number of bag divided by what is the capacity of this large box size. Large box size, its capacity how much? This is the number of large box, means how many large box we need, and this is the capacity of large box. LBS means large box size. Okay, and NB means number of bags we are getting here. We are entering, we will be entering through user. Okay, this is the number of bags. So through this formula we can find, suppose here NB is 52, right? 52, and LBS large box size is 20. If we divide this, and in programming we know that if we divide this is non-decimal number, means only the integer value will be stored in NLB. Then NLB, number of large boxes, should be how much? 2, because if we divide this here, the answer will be 2.6. And among this we know that we need to exclude this. Okay, exclude this, so the answer will be 2. 2 will be stored here, NLB. So the number of large box we need is 2. That's why here this 40 means 2 into 20. This is a capacity of large box. Okay, capacity of large box, and 2 is the number of large box we required. Clear? Now let's move to medium box. Number of medium box size equals to, see, we have already taken some number of bags from there. Okay, into this large box. Now what number should we take here? We take the remaining. Okay, suppose 40 is taken by this, then out of 50 to 40 is taken, then how many left? Obviously 12. So 12, if we put 12 here, this is the remaining of this. Okay, this is the remaining of large box, the remaining of large box. Okay, divide by, we always divide by its capacity. Here what is the capacity in medium box? 10 is the capacity, right? So if we divide it by 10, the answer will be 1.2. We know that we need to exclude this, so 1 will be assigned in number of medium box. Okay, so here 1 into 10 can be said. Okay, now what is the remaining? Remaining is, suppose in out of 12, and how we find remaining? We find remaining by this modulo operator. Let me write here, 12 was there, and this percentage 10. This is the remainder. Remainder we are saying, remaining we are saying, this we refer to remainder. And if we divide this 12 by 10, then how much remainder we get? We get 2 as a remainder. Okay, so similarly we can do for a small number of a small box. Okay, so this was a code, and at last we can calculate the how many the box was required, and we can also calculate the cost of the box. Okay, now we'll be moving towards the code part. So this is the code part. In the first line we have just named a package, and we have named it exercise 2, right? And after that, in the second line we have imported a library, that is java.util. We are importing this library because we need a class scanner. Okay, what is the use of scanner? The use of scanner is There are a lot of use of scanner, but here we will be using here in order to call this method. Clear? Next int. This method provides the interface for the user to input for the input purpose. Okay. So if we run the process, if we run the program, then what we are seeing there, the first line, this code, this appears here. Okay. Enter the number of 12 backs order. Clear? Now here the whatever number we will enter, that facility is provided by this function. Okay. And this facility is provided because we are using this scanner class. Clear? Let's look this line by line. After that, we have created a class named apple. Clear? After that, we have made a main function, and we know that in Java that every program starts with main function. Okay. And here we have 7 variables. We have named it according to the question that was the question demanded. For example, back price for 2 LV, it was $5.5. Clear? The large box cost is 1.8, and so on. Okay. And we have one thing we have to notice here is that the uh, data type here we have put in the case of back price, large back cost, medium box cost is double, and also for small box cost, because the value if we observe here that it is in decimal form, like 5.50, 1.80, and whatever value comes in decimal, we give the data type for that variable as a double. Okay. In case here large box capacity, that value is not in decimal, so we are giving it into data type. Clear? Okay. So we have here scanner class, and we have made an object sc. Clear? New is the keyword that is used to create an object, and here is scanner class and the system.in. Clear? Here is scanner class we have imported from java.util. Okay. And we have already discussed the use of this, and we are whatever value we will enter here, it will store in number of bags. Clear? So whatever logic we have discussed previously, that according to that I have designed a code, and the code goes like this: number of large boxes equals to number of bags, whatever bags is there, like we have 52 bags we have entered in the example. Okay. So, and divided by large box capacity. What was the capacity of large box? It was 20. So if we divide this, we get 2 as a result, and it will be stored in num large boxes. Okay. So whatever will be the remaining, that will store here, that will be stored here in this variable, and this variable is used here. Similarly, the code goes like this. Okay. Now after this, if we calculate the large box cost, then we can simply multiply the number of large boxes into large box one large box cost. One large box cost is 1.0, and the number of large boxes we got was 2. So 2 into 1.0 is 3.6. Similarly, we can cost all these medium box and small box cost, and after that we can calculate the total box cost. And after that, if we calculate the total back cost, one thing we have to notice here, that we have calculated the total box cost. Now if we need to calculate total back cost, then we can simply put the formula number of bags into one bag price. Okay. One bag price was 5.50, and the number of bags whatever we will be entering here, we will be getting platform, and whatever we will be entering, that will be multiplied. Okay. After that, the total order cost will be total back cost and plus total box cost. Total box cost plus total back cost will be the total number, total order cost. Clear? Now this is the system that we need, because in the the question asks that we need to print the program in that sequence. So we have just enter this number of bags order is number of bag that we will enter, and after that total back cost we will get from here. Okay. And similarly we will get the cost accordingly. And if we type like 52, then yeah, here's the answer. Number of bags is 52, and total cost for that number of bags uh, that we 5.50, if we do, then it will come 2.86. And after that, how many large box is required? 2, medium 1, small 1, and price for each is given here, so the total cost is this much. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next lecture. Bye.